Daddy.
Hi,
I love you.
Daddy. So, Daddy.
So what are you playing with? Is that your giraffes? Did we count how many giraffes we have? We have 1,
2,
3. And then who's that?
Daddy.
Who are you holding? Who is that? Who is that right in your arms? Oh, here. That's your hippopotamus. Can you see hippopotamus? Hippopotamus. Where's your hair? Where's your hair? Where's your eyebrow? Where's your ears? Where's your elbow? Where's your shoulder? Right here. Where's your fingers? Can you kick your foot? Where's your knee? Where's your toes? Yes. Where's your stomach? And your belly button. Oh. Where's your eyes? Where's your teeth? Where's your mouth? Where's your cheeks? Where's your nose? See, I love you, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
We'll see you soon.
Soon.
Blow a kiss. Love you, Kent.